from your center point. That's one way to make a size or even. Okay. So we're drawing the eye. Okay, so the next part of this is that we're going to do what I called the football shape, where we have the corners of the eye, and then it because some things are going to get erased, and then doing the same thing on the bottom. That looks like that person is really awake. Do the pupil. So for an eye, this part would be like the iris, right? And then your pupil is going to be a little bit smaller. Again, notice this, I'm not pressing down hard. I'm using a series of lines to create the shape rather than just trying to draw it perfectly. And if it makes you feel any better, you can lightly shade this in to be the pupil. Notice I said lightly because there are going to be some things that we erase. Then we are going to do eyelid. Remember the eyelid curves. It starts at this corner, and we now, depending on like if your eyes are really surprised or you're really awake, the eyelid might be up higher. If you're really sleepy or you're blinking, the eyelid would be lower. Excuse me. And then we can erase this. Looks this is just a very basic shape. A person's eye or your eye in real life and see like what kind of shape it would be. I'm gonna make a little kind of like the tear duct right there. Okay. And then we're going to the lower lid. When we close our eyes, there is a little bit of a lid that comes up. And then it kind of curves. With my eyes. And we might notice it like this may not look, if you're looking at your eye, it may not look like that. It may come down like this. So that's like kind of the basic of what we have so far. But there's a lot more there. So we may need to bring the duct around like that. Another thing is that, okay, so this might be the iris. And that's the part that's colored in. But there's still a sphere here, like that's the eye. So this is where it kind of gets a little... Let's see, I'm going to pause this.